Hello everybody and welcome to the McCall's Kitchen. My name is Elisha, I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop and we are here today to celebrate Valentine's Day. We've got so many fun ingredients in front of us. We've got red, we've got pink, white, roses, chocolates, strawberries, everything that you would need for Valentine's Day. And we're going to be making something fun together. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of fun content planned since it is a new year. And we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see from us so that we can make some fun videos for you. Let's get started. I'm really excited to bring this together. So I just want to break down what we have in front of us today. I've got some cupcakes that I baked and these are in a pink color. So we use the McCall's pink to achieve this beautiful pink because it's Valentine's Day. And I also use the same pink for the buttercream. We're going to be using McCall's buttercream today. We've got Valentine's sprinkles. These two are Hershey Kisses and marshmallow hearts. These roses I'm very excited to use because they're so pretty and you can get these at McCall's. And then I'm also using some chocolate here. I decided to go with pink because I'm feeling very pink today. I'm going to be dipping my strawberries. And then we've also got some gum paste sugar florals here, which I'm also going to be adding to it. So the first thing is the strawberries. I'm going to melt my chocolate and then I'll be back to dip the strawberries with you guys. So first things first, we are going to dip our strawberries, and I've got the chocolate which I melted here. The one thing you want to be careful with when you're doing chocolate is you want to do it in small increments, so about 15 to 20 seconds at a time, and give it a mix because you don't want your chocolate to get too warm. So this is actually the perfect consistency for us to be dipping, and I've got my sprinkles ready. I'm going to dip a couple of the strawberries. You guys can watch the process here. Our strawberries are all done now. Got a little bit of chocolate left, which you can also use for other decorations. If you have a chocolate mold, you can pour this into your chocolate mold and use that like a heart or a flower, anything like that. Next thing is decorating our hearts. So we're going to be using our buttercream and making some beautiful swirls. Let me get this cleaned up and then we'll get started on that. I'm sure you guys have seen these cakes everywhere. They're kind of called pull-apart cakes. The idea is that it's little pieces so you don't have to actually cut a slice into a cake. People can almost just pull apart what they need to. So what we're going to be doing is covering this whole thing in buttercream. I've got my piping bag with a tip ready here and with my buttercream. And we're going to start off with some swirls, fill in the holes, and then top it off. I find these so great for parties, especially this year. They don't get too messy. It's really easy to distribute. And you can also make these in letters and numbers. I've even seen people make them into shapes like a ring for an engagement. So we decided to go with the heart today. Now I'm going to show you how I make a swirl and then I'm just going to go in and fill it all up. So usually I like to start in the middle and then I start to work my way around, building a small flower and then going around like that. As you can see, our heart shape is coming together. I need a little bit more buttercream, but I'm going to show you how I fill in the holes, and I'm also going to bring my toppings over so we can start to top it together. So with these gaps, what we're going to do is we're going to make some smaller rosettes here to fill that in, and then we can also use this as a bit of a star tip. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. We can use it to make little stars where there are smaller holes where we don't need a rosette. So the one thing about this is you're going to kind of want to work almost outward inward. So I'm going to start here connecting to a piece of buttercream already because you don't want your rosette falling in. So I'm going to show that again. You're going to start connecting to a cupcake and then we're going to work that way. And don't worry because we are going to be putting some toppings on here, so it doesn't have to look 100% clean because it is going to be getting a bit covered. Our strawberries only needed a couple minutes to set and now they're ready to be added. All right, now flowers. I'm going to use these ones right here because they're so pretty and pink, and our theme is all pink today. So with these, we can just carefully stick it in. It's already looking so nice. These are some marshmallow hearts, so we can add these guys to bring a bit of red. I think this is ready. It's all filled up. There's so many nice toppings here. The nice thing is that you get to eat everything. So you get to eat the cupcake and the toppings on top. The only thing you have to be careful with the flowers is the wires. So make sure when you're eating those that you're being careful. This is ready to be packaged. So I actually really want to show you guys how I would package this to deliver it to one of my loved ones. So let's clean this all up and we'll be back to show you the packaging. So we have our finished pull-apart heart cake right here. I actually wanted to add a little happy Valentine's Day topper. I thought this was so cute. You can also grab this at McCall's, and I think that just completed the cake right there. As you can see, it's so nice and pink and colorful, just screams Valentine's Day. I wanted to show you how I would actually package this and drop it off to one of my loved ones. This is a 12-inch cake dome. It's perfect because this all clicks together and it's a perfect height for this cake we have here. So let's transfer that. Look at how beautifully that fits in. This is ready to be dropped off to somebody's porch. I'm gonna close it off. Yep, see? And you can add a little bow, a little message. It's so cute for that person that you'd like to drop it off for. I had so much fun making this with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Again, this is the pull-apart cake. There's so many variations. You can do different colors, use different sprinkles, different toppings. So it's honestly endless. You'll have so much fun. If you do try this at home, make sure to tag us at McCall's and at Fiorella Bake Shop. We want to see all your beautiful creations, and make sure to subscribe because we have lots of videos coming. I am ready to dig in and treat myself to this beautiful cake, so I'm gonna go and do that now, and we'll see you very soon.